Upgrade your smart home with the BSEED Zigbee Smart Button switches. Designed for convenience and style, these switches come in 1, 2, 3, or 4 gang configurations and support one-way, two-way, or three-way setups, giving you full control over your lighting and appliances. Crafted with high-quality matte plastic panels, the switches blend seamlessly into any modern interior. Each unit features EU socket compatibility, Type-C USB ports for fast device charging, and supports up to 20W power output. Powered by Zigbee and compatible with Tuya Smart, you can easily control your home remotely via the app. Geek Magic Mini Crystal Display Weather Forecast Gadget Wi-Fi Desktop Clock Station. Transparent mini TV game decor brings cyber-futuristic vibes to your desk with the Geek Magic Mini Crystal Display. Designed like a tiny transparent TV, this smart desktop gadget blends real-time weather forecasting, a digital clock, and animated visuals into one eye-catching crystal display. Perfect for gamers, tech lovers, and modern workspaces, it turns everyday information into a stylish visual experience. Connected via Wi-Fi, the display syncs automatically to show accurate time, local weather conditions, temperature, and forecasts at a glance. The crystal-clear transparent screen creates a floating holographic effect, making it a unique decorative piece as well as a practical smart clock. Whether on a gaming desk, office table, or bedroom nightstand, it adds personality and a high-tech aesthetic to any setup. Transform your desk into a futuristic cyberpunk haven with the cyberpunk-style fluorescent tube clock. This innovative table clock blends modern technology with artistic design, making it more than just a timepiece. It's a centerpiece for your gaming setup, office, or creative space. The clock features sleek fluorescent tubes that emit vibrant RGB lighting, creating a dynamic, ever-changing glow that adds energy and personality to any room. Designed for gamers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who loves a high-tech aesthetic. This clock offers customizable lighting modes so you can match your setup or mood. Its cyberpunk-inspired design not only keeps you on time but also enhances the ambience of your space with a futuristic edge. Whether placed on a desk, shelf, or gaming station, it doubles as both a functional accessory and a striking decorative piece. Illuminate your space with a touch of cosmic wonder. The dreamy geometric space LED nightlight combines modern design and mesmerizing color effects to create a magical ambience in any room. Its infinity dodecahedron mirror design produces stunning reflections that seem to stretch into eternity, making it a captivating centerpiece for your bedroom, living room, or office. Featuring multicolor LED lights, this artful lamp can shift through vibrant hues or set to your favorite color, perfect for creating a relaxing mood or adding a festive glow during Christmas, birthdays, or special occasions. Lightweight and stylish, it also doubles as a unique decorative gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves modern, geometric, and celestial-inspired home accents. Product type: LED nightlight design. Infinity dodecahedron mirror features multicolor LEDs, creative geometric design occasions, home decor, Christmas, birthday gifts. OUZEY Auto Workshop Book Nook 3D Wooden DIY Garage. Turn your bookshelf into a miniature mechanics haven with the OUZEY Auto Workshop Book Nook. This detailed 3D wooden DIY garage brings the charm of a classic auto workshop to life, complete with tools, workbenches, and industrial decor, all designed to fit perfectly between your favorite books. It's a hands-on STEM build that's as satisfying to assemble as it is to display. Crafted from precision-cut wood, each piece fits smoothly for a rewarding building experience that boosts problem-solving, patience, and creativity. Soft LED lighting adds a warm, realistic glow, transforming the finished nook into a standout decor piece for bedrooms, studies, or offices. Ideal for teens and hobbyists. It's a fun way to learn through making while creating something truly display-worthy.